Hello fellow crocheters and beginners who are learning to crochet. So today's video is a recap of all the videos I have posted this week on my channel. You can go to my channel and you can check the videos. I have posted all the beginners guide and basic stitches and the resources you need. So I have already made a demo stitch pattern here. So what we are going to learn today is a recap video. So the row consists of single stitch, double stitch, triple stitch, all being the basic crochet stitches. You can already see a pattern here. So we're gonna start over with single stitch. First, I'm just gonna make a loop and turn over my work so that you have a even finishing and a very straight line in your work. So while starting a single stitch, always remember, why is it called a single stitch? Because a double stitch has a yarn over of twice number, while a triple crochet stitch has yarning over thrice. We're gonna get to that. First, let's learn the basic single stitch. As you can see, you don't have to yarn over. So you do not yarn over, you just simply go inside the stitch, you go inside the hoop, all right, inside the chain, and then you pull out a loop. You have two loops on your hook, yarn over, take out all the two loops all at once. That is your simple basic single crochet. Pull out a loop, two loops on the hook, yarn over, take out two loops. All right. Usually while making any crochet projects, make sure that your sides are very straight. The case here being that I have been showing different stitches once at all in a row. That is the reason the sides might have been a little crooked. It's not proportionate or equivalent to the straight line that your crochet project must have. So we're going to continue with a single crochet. Simply go inside, take out loop, two loops on the hook, yarn over. I'm struggling here, just look at me, how pathetic. And then take out all the two loops at once. Go inside the stitch, take out all the two, yarn over, pull out all two. So you know why, while I was making my crochet videos, I just realized that I often say go inside, take out. I say it like that. So then I made a promise to myself that I am going to be very strict with my words. I'm going to specify what am I meaning here, like go inside the stitch, take out a loop, pull over all the stitches. Because when I say like that, go inside, take it out and pull out, people just make a meme out of it. People are horrible in the comments. People are like texting me, oh my god, what are you up to, girl, like that. So please don't. Okay, this is a crochet video, this is a learning video. I know you have a lot of potential in having fun in your life, but not here. All right. So we have reached almost the ending of this row. We simply make the single stitch and then we make a loop. We turn over our work. Make sure that the continuing or the working yarn is behind our work from the right side so that you don't struggle with the yarn and it doesn't come in between your work. Alright, so single stitch, check. Now we start with our double stitch. You can visit my channel, you can check out my old videos, and you can see I have uploaded videos on making double crochet stitch before, and I'm showing here again, since I am showing all the stitches all together. You just simply yarn over, you go inside the stitch, you take out 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, you take out 2, and you yarn over again and you take out 2. But while making a single stitch, this was not the case. It was very easy. You don't yarn over, you just pull out one loop, you have already a loop on your hook, and then you yarn over and you pull out all the 2 at once. That is your single stitch. While in double crochet stitch, it is called a double crochet stitch because you're yarning over twice. You're yarning over, you're going inside the stitch, you're pulling out 3, you have 3 loops on your hook, you yarn over, you take 2, you have 2 loops on your hook, you have yarn over, and you take out the rest of the 2. So that is how a double crochet work. You don't have to memorize, all you have to do is apply your basic sense. I'm pretty sure all the stitches that I'm showing here, it is going to be very prominent and very clear for you if you just apply your senses as to why they are called what they are called. Alright, so double crochet being you have to yarn over twice, or shall I say you have to yarn over thrice because you're yarning over in beginning of your work. So just make sure it's a double crochet because you're yarning over and pulling out 2 loops twice. That is the reason it's a double crochet. Single crochet, you're just going inside the stitch, you're taking 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull out all the 2. Alright, there you go, and make sure to always take out extra yarn from your yarn ball so that your work doesn't tighten up. For a moment I really got dehydrated, so had to go and grab myself some water. So I was having trouble in my throat, some irritation, so I had to do voiceover a couple of times. So we have reached on the end of the row. Just simply finish the row like I said, and always make sure to pull out an extra loop and turn over your work. In that way your work is going to have a very straight line, equal sides. Alright, but here it might not be very straight because vertically and horizontally I'm making different stitches all at once together. So we are gonna start with our triple crochet. It is a bit complicated if you just follow. You yarn over. In case of double crochet, here you're just yarning over twice. You see, when you yarn over, take the yarn from behind your hook and then yarn over. So technically you're using the same continuing yarn to yarn over twice, and then you're gonna have 1 2 3 4, have 4 loops on your hook. You yarn over, you take out 2 loops. I'm having a little bit struggle here. Yeah, you yarn over, you take out 2 loops, and then you yarn over for the last time and you take out 2 loops. Simple, right? I mean, if you just go back, play back the videos, you're just gonna see that for double crochet you're yarning over twice. As for triple crochet, you're yarning over twice in the beginning of the work, and then you're pulling out 2 loops thrice by yarning over thrice. So make sure to have a crochet notepad if you need so, and you can just write down these points. So it might make sense for you when you just simply note down these points as to why and how. You don't have to memorize. All you have to do is that you have to be very good with holding your yarn, and you have to be very good as well with the hook and get a grip of your yarn and hook at the same time, simultaneously following the advices of all the crocheters in their videos or in the crochet pattern. and then just apply sense, not memorize. If you memorize, I'm telling you, you won't learn very easily. But when you apply sense and you do it, you're going to learn it quite quickly. So, a recap, you are yarning over twice. So you yarn over twice, you go inside, you take out a loop, you have 4 loops, you yarn over, you pull out 2, you yarn over, you pull out 2, you yarn over, you pull out 2. So you're pulling out thrice, yarning over thrice. But in beginning of the work, you're yarning over twice on the same hook with this continuing yarn. Alright, please make sure when you're learning you have a yarn and you have a hook on your hand and you're watching my video, pausing it time to time, and you are following my instruction with working on your yarn. You're not just watching my video, but you have a working yarn and a hook with yourself, and you are trying it in real life what I'm showing you. Or else if you just watch my video and you memorize it, it's not going to work. You need to practice it as well. You need to be very consistent if you really want to learn it and you are serious about it. Watch my videos and simultaneously work with your hands. All right, please don't make a meme out of this, I request you. Alright, here we go, a mixture of single crochet, triple crochet, double crochet all at once. Let me know in the comment box with regards to any crocheting ideas or recommendation. What kind of video shall I make and what kind of ideas would you like to share with me, or any feedback, any suggestion. You can just connect with me through the mailbox. Oh wait, I haven't given my Gmail, so you can connect with me through the comment box. Loads of love, take care, all the best. You're going to prosper, you're going to succeed. Heart sangyo, bye bye.